Hello everyone, I'm Pauline, a dietitian from the National Healthcare Group Polyclinics. Today, we are going to show you how to make simple and tasty recipes with everyday ingredients just under 30 minutes. And we hope that these quick-to-prepare meals can help you achieve your health goals. Today, we'll be showing you how to make salmon wrap with curried mayonnaise. Start off by creating the curried mayonnaise. Combine in a bowl 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of curry fish powder, 7 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and whisk till smooth. To a heated pan, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and lightly cook the salmon over medium heat for about 4 minutes. Set the salmon aside. Using the same pan, sauté a cup of sliced mushrooms and half a cup of diced onions. Return the salmon to the pan and stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Take a wrap and cut a slit in the middle. Spread the curried mayonnaise thinly, arrange the ingredients, and fold it up. Heat the wrap by toasting it in an oven for 5 minutes and serve warm. Enjoy! We hope you enjoyed this cooking demo on healthy and delicious quick-to-prepare meals. If you'd like to download the recipes, please click on the link or scan the QR code.